Hey, y'all, check it out. So I know ribs run the vote, but my lawyer said he want to see brisket. So I'm gonna give the man what he want. So my first how-to video, we're smoking brisket, baby. Smoke something. Hey, y'all, thanks for coming out. This is my first how-to video, and I'm gonna go ahead and knock out a brisket. I'm gonna do 2 series of brisket eventually, but this is the first one. We're doing an at-home brisket for all you at-home smokers, and then we'll do a KCBS competition style brisket that we do at competitions. And if you don't know, I'm McGill, Big Daddy, Stewart. Thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. Hit the reminder button if you would like to know when more videos are coming out. It helps spread the word. We're gonna start out with a 13-pound Angus beef brisket, baby. When you get your brisket, you want to have a little flop in it. This isn't the best flop, but it was one of the best that they had there. You don't want to get a brisket that is too, when you flip it back and forth, it's too tough. Make sure when you're checking for your briskets, you grab the end at the point, because that's the heavy end. You just flop it back and forth. And if you got some good wiggle in it, you got a good brisket. Of course, you always want to check out the fat content too. The content of the fat is going to make a big difference on how much actual meat you got and how much fat you got to trim off. But for the purpose of at-home briskets, I don't trim off any of the fat hardly. I barely trim off anything. Stay along, keep watching, and we're about to get to it. I'm fixing to wash off my meat. You got to wash your meat before you do anything. All right, now I got my brisket washed off, nice, clean. Most of the scum from cutting butcher stuff has been taken off. Now we just to take it out, then we're gonna throw it on this cutting board and start doing a little trimming and seasoning. All right, thanks for watching Big Dad's Texas Barbecue, how to brisket smoke something.